Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download iTunes on Windows. So starting from your desktop, just open up your browser of choice and then head to this web page, which I'll have linked down below in the description of this video as well. Once you're on the downloads page, just scroll down until you see the latest version of iTunes available for Windows. And now you'll need to choose between Windows 32-bit or Windows 64-bit. Now, if you don't know what you have installed on your system, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, just right-click on your Start button and then select System, which will then bring you to the System Properties. And under System Type, you'll see if you have a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. So with that in mind, just select the version that you have installed on your computer. In my case, it's 64-bit. And then once it's finished downloading, just click on the iTunes setup file to start the installation. And then we get to the iTunes installation wizard, which is really straightforward. Just click on Next, leave everything on default and click on Install, accept any prompts, and then we just wait for it to finish. Accept any prompts that might pop up. And then we can just click on Finish and it'll open iTunes after we click on Finish as well. Just agree to the software license terms. And then you have iTunes installed on your computer. On first launch, it'll also ask you if you want to download the latest version that's available. I recommend that you do that. So just click on Download iTunes. And then the Apple Software Updater will launch and it'll show you the available version. And then you can just click on Install Item. If you want to see how to update iTunes, I've made a different guide about that. This was only how to download and install iTunes on Windows. So if you found this guide useful, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want me to cover a specific topic in an upcoming video, just drop a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.